Hi, my name is Muhammad Adazid and Muhammad Faizal. I am 10 years old and I love to read. Today, I'm going to read a book from one of my favorite storybooks. This book's genre is fabulous, which consists of short stories with animals as characters conveying moral lessons. The title of the book is How Zebras Got Their Stripes. It is a tale from Africa retold by Leslie Sims and illustrated by Lord Fournier. This book features 4 main characters and has an average 25 pages. Today, I'm going to read the storybook. This story is about a greedy baboon, a pond, a giraffe, an elephant, and the very first zebra. Long time ago, there was a great greedy baboon. He lived by the pond. He wanted the pond all to himself. Everyone was thirsty. Baboon didn't care. Giraffe crept to the pond. Baboon roared. He waved his arm, jumped up and down, and down. Giraffe fled. Elephant went to the pond. Baboon roared once again. He jumped up and down and waved his arms. Elephant fled. Zebra walked up. Baboon roared. Zebra stamped his hoof. "It's not your pond," he said. "You must share it." "No," said Baboon. "Go away." Baboon got lots of sticks. He piled them by the pond. Then he lit a big fire. "Now everyone will stay away." "Ha ha ha," said Baboon. Zebra wasn't scared. He ran at the baboon and kicked out his legs. Baboon flew into the air. So did the sooty sticks from the fire. The sticks landed on Zebra. Baboon landed on his bottom. Ever since then, zebras have had a black stripes and baboon have had red bottoms. The end. The moral lesson from this story is, don't be greedy like the baboons, and don't act foolishly during arguments like zebra. Thanks for watching this video.